everybody. Today I have brought MCQ question from chapter Current Electricity. So let us now try to understand question number 1. A steady current flows in a metallic conductor of non-uniform cross section. The quantities constant along the length of the conductor is current, electric field and drift speed. Option B, drift speed only. Option C, current and drift speed. Option D, current only. Here your correct answer is D, current only. You can see whatever hint I have given in the box, you go through it. Now question 2. The potential difference applied to an X-ray tube is 5 kilovolt and the current through it is 3.2 milliampere. Then the number of electrons striking the target per second is 2 into 10 to the power 16, 5 into 10 to the power 6, 1 into 10 to the power 17, 4 into 10 to the power 15. We know that N equal to Q by E and Q equal to IT, so N equal to IT by E. When we put the value of I, T and E, we get the answer. So the correct answer here it is option A, 2 into 10 to the power 16. Now question number 4. A wire is drawn such that its radius changes from R to 2R, then new resistance is. The new resistance is 1 by 16 time. So correct answer is D. You go through the hint given in the box, you will find that the new resistance is 1 by 16 time. Now question number 5. In the circuit shown in figure, cells A and B have EMFs 10 volt each and internal resistance is 5 ohm for A and 2 ohm for B. For what value of R will the potential difference across cell A be 0? Option A 0, option B 1 ohm, option C 2 ohm, option D 3 ohm. Here you can see for cell A, terminal potential difference V equal to E minus IR. Since V is 0, so E equal to IR and I equal to E by R, which is 2 ampere. For the entire circuit we find the current and we get the value of R equal to 3 ohm. So here the correct answer will be D, 3 ohm. Now question 6. A 3 volt battery with negligible internal resistance is connected in a circuit as shown in the figure. The current I in the circuit will be option A 1 ampere, option B 1.5 ampere, option C 2 ampere, option D 1 by 3 ampere. You can see in the figure resistance in the arm AB and BC are in series and equivalent of RABC is R1, which is 6 ohm, and this RABC, that is R1, is in parallel with 3 ohm in the arm AC. So the equivalent resistance is given by 2 ohm. So I equal to V by R. Here V is 3 volt and R equivalent is 2 ohm. So the current is 1.5 ampere. So the correct answer will be option B. Now question 7. In the circuit shown in the figure, each battery is of 5 volt and has internal resistance 0.2 ohm. The reading in the ideal voltmeter is 0, 5 volt, 7.5 volt, 10 volt. Your correct answer is A, 0. You can go through the hint given in the box. First of all we find the current, which is 25 ampere and V equal to E minus IR. Here E is 5 volt and product of I into R is 25 into 0.2. Now the ideal voltmeter gives the reading as 0. So option A is the right answer. Now question 8. An electric current is passed through a circuit containing two wires of same material connected in parallel. If the length and radii of the wires are in the ratio of 4/3 and 2/3, then the ratio of currents passing through the wires will be 3, 1/3, 8/9 and 2. Here your correct answer is B, 1/3. You can take the help of hint given in the box. Now in question number 9, in figure, the potentiometer wire AB has resistance of 5 ohm and length 10 meter. The balancing length AJ for the EMF 0.4 volt is 4 meter, 1.5 meter, 0.8 meter, 0.4 meter. So first of all we find potential difference across AB, which is given by E by RAB plus R into RAB, which is, after putting the value we get 50/19 volt, and we find the potential gradient K equal to VAB by L, which is 50/19 divided by 10 volt per meter. Now the balancing length AJ is very clear to all of us, VAJ by K, which is 1.5 meter. So the correct answer here it is option B, 1.5 meter. Now question number 10. Which of the following graph shows the correct variation of resistivity rho with increasing diameter D of aluminum wire? Here you can see graph in option A is correct because resistivity of given material is constant and does not depend on shape and size of the material. So here the correct answer is A. Question 11. A potentiometer is considered a versatile and accurate device to make an electrical measurement of EMF. Why? Option A. As there is no flow of current through galvanometer. Option B. There are cells involved. Option C. Because the method involves a combination. Option D. Because of potential gradients. Here the correct answer is A, as there is no flow of current through galvanometer. Now question 12. A 6 volt battery is connected to the terminals of 3 meter long wire of uniform thickness and resistance of 100 ohm. The difference of potential between 2 points on the wire separated by a distance of 50 centimeter will be option A 2 volt, B 3 volt, C 1 volt, D 1.5 volt. Now you can see we know that V varies as L, so V2 by V1 equal to L2 by L1, or V2 equal to L2 by L1 into V1. So after putting the value we get the correct answer as 1 volt. So the option C is the right answer. Now question 13. 3 electric bulbs of 40 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt use the tungsten wire of the same diameter. Which bulb uses the longest tungsten wire? Option A 60 watt, option B 100 watt, option C 40 watt, option D all have the same length. As we know that P, that is power, equal to V square by R, and R varies as 1 by P because V is constant. Okay, 40 watt bulb having largest resistance uses longest tungsten wire. So the correct answer is C, 40 watt. Now question 14. In a Wheatstone bridge, all the 4 arms have equal resistance R. If resistance of the galvanometer arm is also R, then equivalent resistance of the combination is option A R, option B 2R, option C R by 2, option D R by 4. Here your correct answer is A, that is R. Now the last question, that is question number 15. The drift velocity of the free electrons in a conducting wire carrying a current I is V. If in a wire of the same metal but of double the radius the current be 2I, then the drift velocity of the electrons will be V by 4, V by 2, V and 4V. Here your correct answer is V by 2, that is option B. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.